If you're preparing for the Alabama Building Contractor Under 4 Stories exam and you want to pass it on your first try, this video will give you the exact roadmap. We'll cover what this exam is really testing, the approved reference books you need to know, and where most people lose points, and how to prepare the smart way, not the hard way. This is an open book exam, but don't be fooled. Passing comes down to preparation and organization. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. If you're preparing for the Alabama Building Contractor Under 4 Stories Contractor exam, then stay tuned because I'll be giving you a special discount code on all Alabama prep material towards the end of this short video. An Alabama Building Contractor Under 4 Stories is a licensed professional authorized to construct, alter, repair, or demolish buildings that are no more than 4 stories in height. This license allows contractors to oversee commercial and residential projects involving foundations, framing, masonry, concrete, steel components, roofing, interior finishes, and coordination with multiple trades. So the exam is designed to confirm that you can build and supervise structures up to 4 stories in height, coordinate multiple trades on a job site, interpret construction drawings and specifications, and apply building energy and safety and codes, manage structural masonry, concrete, steel, and framing systems. The exam is a practical and contractor focused, meaning it tests real-world construction knowledge, not memorization. You're going to have 90 questions on this exam. You're going to have 230 minutes to complete the exam, and you will need a 70% passing score. The exam is broken down into the following categories. Site work, footings and foundations will be 8 questions. Concrete and concrete reinforcement, 8 questions. Metals, 5 questions. Masonry, 6. Carpentry, 16. Roofing, 10. General code and construction, 20. Associated trades, 10. And OSHA safety for 7 questions. To qualify for an Alabama Building Contractor Under 4 Stories license, applicants must demonstrate verifiable construction experience relevant to building construction and supervision. Alabama generally requires a minimum of 3 years of practical experience in construction, project management, or supervisory roles involving structural, concrete, masonry, framing, and code-compliant work. So let's break down how each book on the exam is going to be tested and what to focus on. First, you're going to have the OSHA 29 CFR Part 1926. This book covers job site safety and is heavily tested. Expect questions on fall protection, scaffolding, excavation and trenching, PPE requirements, and steel erection, and general site safety. OSHA questions are often direct. Proper tapping makes these fast points. The next book will be Carpentry and Building Construction 2016 Student Edition. This is a core construction book. It covers framing systems, foundations, roofing, doors, windows, and finishes, and basic construction math. Know where framing, load paths, and structural members are located. Next will be the BCSI Guide to Good Practice. This book focuses on handling and installation of wood trusses, temporary and permanent bracing, and safety and structural stability. As an exam tip, expect questions about what not to do with trusses. Contractor's Guide to Quality Concrete Construction 4th Edition. And the ACI 318-14. These books are used for concrete replacement, reinforcement requirements, curing, and structural integrity. Look for questions involving best practices, not deep engineering calculations. Modern Masonry and the ACI 530 is going to support brick, block, and stone construction, mortar types, reinforcement, and structural masonry requirements. Know how to quickly find tables and code sections. The Pipe and Excavation Contracting. This book is going to cover trenching, excavation, soil conditions, utility coordination, and dewatering. Many questions tie excavation to safety and sequencing. The Gypsum Construction Handbook 7th edition is used for drywall installation, fire-rated assemblies, fastener spacing, and ceiling systems. Fire and life safety questions often reference gypsum assemblies. Steel references, Technical Digest number 9, the SDI Manual of Construction with Steel Deck. These are going to cover handling and erection of steel joists, deck installation, and structural coordination. Next will be the international codes. You've got the International Building Code IBC 2021, the International Residential Code IRC 2021, and the International Energy Conservation Code IECC 2018. These books are critical. Expect questions on occupancy classifications, fire separation, energy efficiency requirements, and residential versus commercial scope. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They study content instead of navigation. Your prep should focus on tabbing and highlighting, time practice, and learning which book answers which question. If your exam is coming up, practice under time pressure. Train your hands to find answers automatically. That's how first-timers study. Here's how successful students approach this. Tab and highlight your books properly. If your books aren't organized, you will run out of time. Practice finding answers, not memorizing them. The exam rewards navigation speed. Skip tough questions first, answer what you know, then come back. Don't second guess yourself. Most wrong answers come from changing correct answers under pressure. Understand the exam format before test day. Knowing what to expect reduces anxiety and boosts confidence. No two contractors study the same way. That's why one exam prep offers multiple exam prep options designed to fit every learning style, schedule, and budget. Whether you want quick practice questions or a complete done for you solution, here's how to choose the right package. We have online courses which will walk you through every exam topic step by step. You've got the book set, which is the official reference materials, and the highlight and tab book set, which is a game changer. Your books arrive professionally highlighted and tabbed so you can find answers fast. The book rental. If you want to just rent the books, you don't have to pay full price. This is your option. And we have many other packages as well. Use code AL10BU at checkout for 10% off any of these packages. If you want to be set up for exam day and trained for speed, passing the Alabama Building Contractor under 4 stories exam on your first try is very doable. If you want a guided study plan, practice support, and a proven system to get through this exam faster, check out one exam prep resources below. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more contractor videos, and we'll see you in the next one.